Hey, good afternoon. Steve Zerman coming to you, no, not from our private beach, but from 5451 West Shore Drive, Gulf Harbors, Florida. A 4-bedroom, full bath pool home on Florida's Gulf of Mexico. And I'm just going to take you a quick walk. 4,600 square foot, 4-bedroom, 4,690 square foot, living, 4-bedroom, 4 full bath home with about 3,000 square feet of entertaining area poolside. We'll just go through the master real quick here. It does come with a deeded mooring lot. And as you can see, it is a private beach and Gulf front. If you're interested in this home or any other waterfront property in Gulf Harbors or surrounding areas, give me a call, 727-534-3226. You can text me or email me at steve@stevezerman.com. It's a wonderful fall day. I'd love to help you with any of your waterfront needs. Thank you. Have a great day. And hey, have a great Halloween. Okay, talk to you later.